This is my least favorite part of the demo so far.
Yeah, it's just slow and tedious and not much fun, and it just feels like you're not getting anywhere.
One of the things on the massive list of getting the bus ready to build on is removing all of this glue that they originally glued down the plywood floor with. So that's going to be a lot of fun. This is Mella.
This is Dawn.
And we're sharing our experience as we reinvent our habitat. I think we do have to hit it with the hot glue gun. Hot glue gun. That does seem to clean it off pretty good once we get that first layer off. Not sure if that's doing exactly what I was hoping. I'm gonna get my friend the angle grinder out, see if that'll take it off smoother. Alright, it's not ideal, but it's better. It's doing the trick of just polishing that stuff right off, whereas I think I still need to go to the hardware store and get one that's specifically like a steel wool. After all that testing, the thing that ended up working the best is the multi-tool. Mella's no stranger to the multi-tool.
I'm a pro now.
My uncle stopped by, peeked in, and made a suggestion on what might work better than one multi-tool. 2 multi-tools.
It's just getting hot. It's that time of day where it's starting to get too hot. But you're like, oh, we've hardly gotten anywhere, so I don't want to give up, but at the same time.
At the same time, I'm thinking maybe we go in the air conditioning and look online, see if maybe there's some magic solution. The glue throughout this entire bus it was never meant to be taken apart. Part of me that just wants to stop taking the pieces out of the floor and just clean it, because it's so dirty in there. It's making me want to clean. And Mel's getting a little dirty.
I know, I was about to say maybe we should give up on like trying to remove the glue and just go in there with the shop vac and try and clean up some of the debris, because there's so much debris. But at the end of the day, we still got to go get the glue out, and we're still gonna have to go back in again with the shop vac. So it's just making double the work. I'm not sure.
I don't know, I actually like that idea because I think it would make it so we'd be able to see what we're actually working with. Because right now I can't tell what we're trying to remove and what's just junk and crap that's piled in there. So yeah. I vote for shop vac and then break for the day. Also going to try that citrus glue remover. Read the directions. It said it could stay up to 24 hours before it works. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of that on and leave it. And tomorrow, see if it just comes right up. That'd be a real dream come true.
Oh, I'm so sweaty. I'm dirty. Oh, that's that mark on my face. That was much more satisfying. We are calling it quits for the day because
Hot, tired,
back. Yeah. Hot, tired back. But it was much more satisfying because we actually got somewhere. It looks a lot cleaner and like, oh, we're actually doing something now.
Yeah. So. And I think it's also helping because as we vacuum it up, we can see what other screws or nails might be still sticking up. So I'm getting those out, and that's making a big difference because then we can see what we actually still need to do to remove that adhesive. But we got a long way to go.
Yeah. We've had enough crouching tiger hidden nail today.
Yes. Took a half a day of back-breaking work to learn that we had to find another way, and then a day of experimenting. But looks like it's going to do it. So I'm just going to paint this stuff over all of the glue on the entire floor.